Hey Jax, what you got to say about it?
Oh, thank you.
Gunner does not like the vacuum cleaner. Hi, baby.
Are you stuck in the handles? You silly kitty.
Come on, Lo. Wanna go out? You don't want to go out? Why not?
It's freaking out. Oh my god, what an idiot.
And there's his little sister. Good old time over there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, oh.
Oh no!
The light switch? Can you bring it with you? No?
No, Smokey!
No, don't let go, Monkey. Don't do it.
Turn the lights off. Smokey, let go.
Their fates would be joined together in court.
Because of the way the case was built, they either
Yes!
were both guilty or they were both.
Look at this dog. That was smart. That was a good one. Yeah, do that again. That was funny.
For a second, walked into the other room, hung up my purse in the door so I won't forget it. Somebody came and attacked where he shouldn't be.
Noodles. 1 plus 1. Good boy. Okay, can you give me, let's make it hard. 2 plus 3. Good boy.
Hi, Luna. Say, why aren't you getting out of the car? Can I come in?
Andy, come
Come here.
I'll give you a cookie.
Come here.
You want a treat?
You better not go potty in there, Cassandra. Do not do potty.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yay!
Good kitty.
Junior.
Get the buggy. Ready, go. Hi, Cody Co. Hi, buddy. Cat.
Tactical stuff and guns. I didn't even want to see transport because it wasn't Jason Statham.
The most awarded hair care brand of the last 2 years. I took the dare. Will you? Pantene, most awarded hair care brand. It's Macy's Black.
Come on, it's time for bed. You gotta get in your crate.
Are you hiding, Cody?
Wanda,
Willie!
For $5 today, you get Hunt free, plus $350 for shopping, dining, and restaurant activities. Now that's Virgin Islands, nice.
Let's watch this. Let's see if she's gonna.
Big and beefy, loud, fast. I don't give a what you're doing. Rock on. We've never done anything like this. Dragons are awesome.
Is that what you're gonna say? Huh?
Where's Lucy? Lucy, come out. Where'd you go? Can you hear me?
Play with her.
Look at her. Her butt's all in the air.
Is that pillow more comfortable? Rose. Is that more fun?
Time to go night-night. Yeah. Gizmo, it's time to go night-night. Yes, it is.
If that's still your name. Right, Hannah.
What'd you do to your pillow?
I said come. 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 Come.
Earlier? No, listen. Because earlier you ate Lennox's food at dinner time.